fuck's going on? They still don't let me hear TV. I'm trying to watch a movie and this motherfucker making all this noise. This fool close as fuck to the building.